Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move from there. And today, guys, we're here with Skeng. We're here with Skeng with a music video called Shalalala. Dropped nearly 2 weeks now. Never listened to it. Me see it on my recommendation. Never listen to it because I know I'm going to react to it. Let me just say this. I see a lot of you guys message me and say, yo, react to that song, react to that song, react to that song, react to that song. Yes, it's good. But sometimes when the song fresh drop, I'm not going to just react to it. So if you have a group of songs, group up with 5-6 songs, you know, say, yeah, all right, and them 6 songs, yeah, I'm going to react to them in the next batch. You see me? Yeah, I start doing them in batch now. Because it don't make sense with this month, my gaming setup, because I do gaming, JAMAICA'S gamer on TikTok and YouTube. Now go just this month, me set up so just with the one reaction. You see me? So, yeah, just link me. Just be patient with me and I will get the reactions done. Don't worry yourself, the reactions are following. So anyway, let's go. Skeng Shalalala.
Big pussy girl, I play my body, share. Don't ramp with me in a slot cocky girl.
Yeah, play the body.
Call the phone, answer me pussy.
Bumba clap.
Don't get me over here like junk. I want it now, yeah, I want everything. Tell the big pussy motherfucker send 100 guns to toll gate now.
No!
Hear that? It's me going to come kill everybody up for your yard.
Once on the morning, I come market, I buy honey and tomato and jolly. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm a coming in my house and bows your honey. Honey. I want to get your mother run the fat punani. Honey. Susie, your mother run the fat punani.
Let me just say, big up to the creator of Big Bunks Rhythm. Bad me G, bad. Big up yourself. I already run off with someone with the Valiant pan it, the Nigeria pan it, always the pan it, the Raja Wiley pan it, Skeng the pan it, and some more artists pan it. So big up the artists them with the pan the Big Bunks Rhythm, bad rhythm. Let's go. One Sunday man you do what?
2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm a coming in my house and bows your honey. I want to get your mother run the fat punani. Honey. Susie, your mother run the fat punani. Number 1 gold man. Punani no finna me must with the tar pretty but kill it with jam and me feel. Are you? Punani no for you, we no chat certain road, boom no for you. Number 2 not me. Wrong something you go eat and no meat like a fake. Shoulda chop it like a cheese. Number 4
Yo, this is an old school vibes me I get from it. Skeng, big up.
Pussy girl, I play my body, share.
Skeng, big up.
Don't ramp with me in a slot cocky girl.
Old school vibes.
When the blood clot call the phone, answer me pussy.
Bad
Don't
message
get me over
here.
here like junk. I want it now, yeah, I want everything. Tell the big pussy motherfucker send 100 guns to toll gate now. Hear that? It's me coming to come kill everybody up for your yard.
Once on the morning, I come market, I buy honey and tomato and jolly. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm a coming in my house and bows your honey. I want to get your mother run the fat punani. Honey. Susie, your mother run the fat punani. Number 1 gold man. Punani no finna me must with the tar pretty but kill it with jam and me feel. Are you? Punani no for you, we no chat certain road, boom no for you. Number 3 not me. Wrong something you go eat and no meat like a freak. Shoulda chop it like a cheese. Number 4 galore. Outdoor pan a tour, me I look few worth it. Take the color floor, fly elastic, call me bombastic. She can do the 24 up stick.
The boss got old school. From the video old school to the lyrics old school. First we see the girl them play Sightings, Dandy Shandy. Kids nowadays don't know about them game they know. First we see the girl them play Dandy Shandy and Sightings and thing. Sorry. Then girl them play the upscotch in the yard and thing, and one bag of niceness I go on in the yard as it was growing up. These niceness was happening in my yard still. So big up my yard. But the lyrics was kind of drop, brother, like it's an old school vibe. I love it, dog. Me like it.
Big pussy
like
girl,
it. Run it again.
Don't ramp with me in a slot cocky girl. When my blood clot call the phone, answer me pussy. Don't get me over here.
JAMAICA'S, big up enough.
I want it now, yeah, I want everything. Tell the big pussy motherfucker send 100 guns to toll gate now.
No, never. Big Bunks Rhythm. Let's go.
Once on the morning, I come market, I buy honey and tomato and jolly. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm a coming in my house and bows your honey. I want to get your mother run the fat punani. Honey. Susie, your mother run the fat punani. Number 1 gold man. Punani no finna me must with the tar pretty but kill it with jam and me feel. Are you? Punani no for you, we no chat certain road, pum pum, no for you. Number 3, not me. Wrongs up me, I go eat and I meat like a freak. Shoulda chop it like a cheese. Number 4, girl galore. Outdoor pan a tour, me I look few worth for take the color floor. Fly elastic, call me bombastic. She can do the 24 up stick. Up and down, she bump on my cock. She out and about the 24 up stick. Stop, 1, 2, 3, green light. Girl, you put on in never send them on the bright lights. Give me stop, but so when you tie.
Stop. 1, 2, 3, green light. Girl, you put on and never send no man to spot to bright light. Yo, who remember these games where I sing about right now? But he must sing about it in a sexual way, of course. It's 1, 2, 3, red light, by the way. 1, 2, 3, red light. Who remember these games, dog? Big thing, big man thing. Who remember them games?
Call me bombastic. She can do the 24 up stick. Up and down, she bump on my cock. She out and about the 24 up stick. Stop, 1, 2, 3, green light. Girl, you put on in never send them on the bright lights. Give me stop, but so when you tight, not tight, tight. Nah, like grip right, me steen in my type. My type from the first sight, me no waste time. This a real when the textile out of I'm bright. Be the thing for your second, I run for my mind. Buy anything you like for me, did it done right. Since Sunday morning, me they a market. So set on money, them a stop call me. Handsome a bird, where you want all it. She want coming on me house and bow she honey, 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 honey. I want my get your girl run the fat punani, honey, 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 honey. Your girl run the fat punani. Girl all the pink and the sting, the knee in the bread. Me water him 5 bills, can't pay your rent bill. Kim bill, pan the large eye, the Advil. Who send him go running, send my ghost go down in.
I just say, yo, me like the production of the rhythm, dog. Me like the promotion also of the rhythm. You see in the video, so that them have products with big bunks pan it same way. Yo, big up the team behind this, Zimmy. Big up the Zimmy team behind this, man. This bad, this bad.
Kim bill, pan the large eye, the Advil. Who send him go running, send my ghost go down in. Alright, girl, bubble, double, chumble, Anna, none, pussy, bust up.
Bomb class Skeng gone on one different gear right now. Skeng change him flow 3 times so far. You know that song, yeah?
Another large eye, the Advil. Who send him go running, send my ghost go down in. Alright, girl, bubble, double, chumble, Anna, none, pussy, bust up. Key friend, my cousin, and nothing, so me fuck up pocket till the pussy burn you. Murder and I do the love up. Go yeah, guard yourself, get them up in the sky and a big friend. Go yeah, guard yourself. You never girl think that I'm your chin. Bad, think I chatting. Think I potato for the badness. Eh? There's a bad bitch in the ring. Shalalala. There's a bad bitch in the ring. Shalalala.
Yo, big up Skeng in a dog. Yo, this bad dog, this bad. Big up Skeng, brother. Yo, big up Skeng. This bad. And the fact say him incorporate the old school song them night. Like now the old school games them like growing up and thing. What that I mentioned earlier. Skeng bad. One thing I'm gonna ask though. Why on every fucking video people are post the artist name and said never disappoint. Some man only love follow so. Only can just see comments and left it alone. And just read things and just left it. And everything I phone, you know. Pan every fucking video. Skeng never disappoint. And people are like to comment them. On the top, man. I remember when a certain artist dropped the first song, the one song. I remember when 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 dropped a song and it was Darkness. Somebody put in the comment section, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 never disappoint. It's his first fucking song, yo. Yeah, big up on the same stage, but enough it happen, man. But yeah, Skeng, big up yourself, bro. Bad song. I like the way how you incorporate the foundation games them night. Big up yourself. Big up the production team behind it. We can see some money I spend on the rhythm. So on the believe in the project and the project I work cause every song on the rhythm bad so far, you see me? So yeah, big up on yourself, big up ladies in the video. Solid video. Skeng, big up. This is I'm gonna want to steal. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more from G, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Ace.